Hello, I'm Vivien, sales manager at Lanying Colored Steel company. And I have 10 years experience in steel industry. And my role is very simple: to turn your ideas into practical and durable steel structure solutions. I work closely with our engineering and production teams to deliver customized projects. From design optimization and manufacturing to quality control, service treatment, shipping, and installation support, we manage every step with efficiency and transparency. And usually, I communicate with my clients through emails or video calls. And of course, you can always meet me at exhibitions and visit our factory. Our main projects include portal frame buildings, warehouses, workshops, and other customized steel structures, all in line with international standards like ISO, CE, and ASTM. Personally, I focus on fast response, accurate quotations, and full support, from the first idea to the final boat. If you are looking for a professional and dependable partner, I will be happy to work with you.